In this video, I will show you how to deposit Pi token to OKX Exchange. So if you want to do this, you first of all need to open your OKX wallet application, and then from the home tab, you just need to go and click on deposit. So let's click on deposit in here, then select deposit crypto. From this screen, you just need to click on search and then type in Pi. And as you can see, it's already in my recents, but if you do not have any recents, go and click on Pi and then select this one, and it is on the Pi network. So let's click on this in here. And now, due to EU regulations, I need to fill in the sender. So if you are in the EU as well, go ahead and click on this and then select my private wallet if you're sending it to yourself, or someone else's private wallet if it's to someone else. I'm sending it to myself, so I'm clicking on my private wallet. Then I'm going to click on continue. And in order to deposit my Pi token, I need to swipe this to the right, and I can also see the estimated arrival time and what the minimum deposit amount is. So I'm just going to slide this to the right, and now I will find my Pi deposit address in here. So I'm going to click on copy. Now it's copied to my clipboard, and now I need to go over to my Pi app and then click on transfer or send crypto, and then I need to fill in this as a wallet address. And once I do that, I need to fill in an amount, then click on confirm, and then you will deposit your Pi token to OKX Exchange. And this way you are also transferring your Pi to OKX. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.